Inkqubo eqwalasela ukufunda nokufundisa eyaziwa ngenalibali ibambe umsitho wenyanga yokufunda kwisikolo sabantwana abangevayo kakuhle isizwile eDobsonville ebutsheni banamhlanje ikhuthaza ukufunda nokubhala okubandakanyayo ezikolweni. Le nkqubo iqhube iseshoni zokubalisa amabali kubafundi abangevayo njengenxalenye yeenzame zayo zokwandisa ukufikelela kwimfundo ngeelwimi zasekhaya kunye neelwimi zezandla zaseMzantsi Afrika okanye ulwimi lwezandla laseMzantsi Afrika.
Inalibali ibambe iphulo lokufunda kwisikolo sabantwana abangevayo eDobsonville ngenjongo yokukhuthaza ukufunda okubandakanyayo nokuneelwimi ezininzi. Eli phulo inxalenye yokuqinisekisa ukuba mntwana ngamnye kuquka nabafundi abangevayo baxhamla kulonwabo nakumandla okubaliswa kwamabali.
As an organization, we work around promoting and making an awareness around the importance of reading and writing and storytelling. So this month that we are in, we are currently celebrating World Read Aloud Month. If you look at the story that we have this year, it then talks about how to educate abanye abantu who cannot sign and they learn to sign. So through the process of the story, it's about how do we teach other people how to sign. So as an organization, this is an intentional a part to let's be inclusive and make sure that everyone become part and parcel. And as we know, Indolena, sign language has been one of the language that has been added into our official languages. So as an organization, we then recognize that each and every language is very important to us. That's why when we check under inalibali, we make sure that there's stories in each and every language.
Ukufikelela kubantwana abaninzi, inalibali isebenzisana nabanye abathathi nxaxheba abafanelekileyo kwaye ikhuthaza abazali ukuba bazibandakanye kuhambo lwabantwana babo lokufunda.
This year we're very intentional, especially here in the province of Gauteng, and we are strengthening our partnership with various stakeholders like your libraries, your schools, your community organizations, that we have very strong programs and activities in those spaces. And we go to schools where we engage with children, we make awareness, we go to stakeholders like health facilities where we know people are already in those spaces, we engage with them, we create reading corners where we'll be driven around to make sure that we are seen everywhere. Also, what is very important is that what kind of role do parents have in terms of making sure, in terms of illiteracy, and parents have a very significant role. That's why I think we're calling upon as parents to say, in order for us to address issues of literacy in our country, it needs to go back home where we start being intentional around creating time and reading and telling stories to our children, and also participating in our children's everyday education.
Eli phulo injongo yalo ikwakukuqaqambisa igalelo eliza nokufunda ukuncedisa ekwakheni ulutsha olunekamva eliqaqambileyo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eDobsonville.
Okanye kusenjalo isikolo sasesizwile sibongoza abazali ukuba okanye noluntu ukuba lwamkele ngcono abantu abangeva kakuhle. Okanti ke esi sikolo sibongoza iintsapho ukuba zifunde iilwimi zezandla olusiseko okanye ulwimi lezandla esosiseko ukuqinisekisa unxibelelwano kunye nokukhuthaza ukubandakanywa okukhulu.
This day is a very special day to us and our kids. And also it's nice that it starts in the intermediate phase where reading, it's intense. Yeah, but it starts in its intensity in the intermediate phase and then up to the matric level. Yes, we also have DCAPS, but this day for us, it marks the beginning of the reading aloud. We were doing it, but now that Unalibali has come to our school, for us to showcase what we can do as deaf people. We were happy to hear that they are also interested in us as deaf people, because communities, most of the communities, abagayazi about deaf culture. They think that deaf people are dumb. Deaf people are not dumb, but they are deaf. And then they can't talk. They use hands to talk. to relay any message that they want to put across. We've got i-culture yethu esiyuzayo xa sifuna i-attention even abantwaneni bethu i-attention eklasini we use i-lights on and off lights so they know abantwana bethu uyabona. So zizinto ezo umphakathi ngaske ufunde by coming to the schools for the deaf. Schools for the deaf, they teach basic sign language to the parents, to the community at large, even to the parents of our kids, of which they don't come. Not most of them are coming, no. They don't. Most of the parents of the deaf, they don't know sign language, and it's really not on.